Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to make some good old-fashioned potato salad here. And this is our ingredients. We're going to use these are three large baking potatoes. I mean, you know, those are big potatoes. You know, you see with this mustard jar here. You know, it's the mustard jar here. See, so we'll use those three big potatoes. Got some of Kay's homemade pickles here. We'll use an onion. We'll use this mustard. We'll use some Kraft real mayo. We'll use a couple of eggs. And we're not going to forget the celery over here. Now we'll use about half a cup of each one of these. Half a cup of celery, half a cup of pickles, half a cup of chopped onions, and chopped pickles too, by the way, and chopped celery, by the way. And then we're going to chop up a couple of eggs and put in there. And so let's get started. First thing we got to do is peel these potatoes to get them ready. Okay, now first thing we'll do is peel these potatoes here. It cuts it so thin down through there, it wants to just hang on. Ouch, cut your fingers too. So now, the next thing you got to do, you got to look at these potatoes to make sure if you got any bad spots in them, you got to cut them out. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, now we got our potatoes all cut up here, and or not cut up, but washed and peeled and everything. So now we'll put them on this cutting board here and start dicing them up. Now you don't want these to be too small because, you know, you're not making mashed potatoes now, you're making potato salad. So I don't want them much, if any smaller than that, maybe a little, but not much. So we'll do the rest of them like that. Okay, now we got our potatoes all cut up, we got them washed off, and we're going to put as many as we can in this OXO green steamer here, and I think they're all going to fit in there. Maybe. Oh yeah, nothing wrong with that. It's about perfect. About perfect. A green steamer full of potatoes. Alright, now, if I only had a measuring cup. Okay, now I've got a cup and a half of water here in this measuring cup. I'm going to take it over here and pour it down this FOODi DELUXE. Now we'll come back over here. Okay, now I'm going to get my green steamer basket here. We'll bring it right over here and set it down in this FOODi DELUXE. A perfect fit it is. And so now, next thing we're going to do is get our pressure lid. Now we'll come over here, and as you know, we're going to line these arrows up and turn it clockwise till it locks into position. Come over here and turn your valve to sealing position. Make sure it's in the sealing and not vent. And then you're going to turn on the power. Okay, now it went to pressure. It went to 10 minutes. We don't want 10 minutes. That's too much for these potatoes. Because like I said, we're not making mashed potatoes, we're making potato salad. We'll run it all the way down to 3 minutes. That's all you need on this. Trust me, you don't need any more. And then you hit your start button, and there it goes. Now, it's going to take a little time to build up pressure here and seal so it can start pressure cooking. So we'll be back in a minute when it does, and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, now while that's coming up to pressure, I'm going to go ahead and dice up my eggs here. I got 2 boiled eggs. We'll just dice them up. Okay, now I've got my eggs diced up, and in this measuring cup here, I'm running out of measuring cups. I gotta get me some more, I guess. And so now we'll get back over here to the potatoes. Okay, now it's been about 8 minutes since we hit the start button there, and we got a little bit of steam coming out from around the little silver button here, and so I don't think it's gonna be much longer before that pops up, so we can start counting down our time here. Okay, that little button's starting to move around now, so it's about ready to come up. It's been just a little over, and there it comes, and it's been just a little over 10 minutes for it to do that, about 10 minutes and 15-20 seconds. So now, these lights here still run a couple of minutes before it starts cooking. I don't know why it does that, but it does, so that's the way it does it. So in a minute it'll start counting down our 3 minutes here, so we'll be back. Okay, and there it goes now. It took about another 3.5 minutes for it to start cooking for the 3 minutes there. So in about 3 minutes we'll go ahead and do a quick release on it, get those potatoes out and put it in that bowl over there and start adding our ingredients to it. Now this is a good potato salad. This potato salad has been, the recipe's been in the family for a long, long time. I'm sure other people knows it too, but this is our version. Okay, now we're down to 3 seconds here, and we're going to do a quick release on this thing and let it go. There it says done. And so now we're going to move right over here. We're going to hit the release valve here and turn it over to vent. Okay, now it's been 3 minutes and 30 seconds since I hit that release valve there, since I hit over the vent. And so it should be dropping pretty soon now. Although there's a lot of pressure build up in there. It shouldn't be much longer now. Okay, and there it was. It took exactly 5 minutes and 10 seconds for that button to drop. Now we're going to turn the lid counterclockwise, lift it up and away from your face, turn it upside down because it's got all this water over here. It's going to dump in your floor if you don't. Bring it over to the sink and turn it back upright. And look at all them potatoes down in there. Don't they look good? Let's get a toothpick and see if they're done. Oh yeah, see it goes right through there. Slides right off. Perfect potatoes. And the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Now let's see if we can get them out here and get them in this bowl over here. Okay, you just bring your little green steamer basket right on over here and set it down. Just take it like this and turn it right on upside down like that. That's what I love about this little steamer basket. You can put it right in your bowl, turn it upside down. So now, the next thing we've got to do. Okay, now first thing we'll do is put in my 2 boiled eggs here. Put in Kay's famous homemade pickles. half a cup. Half a cup of celery. And a half a cup of onions. Oops. Now we're going to stir this up a little bit. Now you got to remember now, you're not trying to make mashed potatoes, so you do this gently. Mix all your ingredients. About got them in the way we want them. Okay, now we'll salt and pepper some. Of course, you do this to taste, you know. So. Right, now we'll put about a half a cup of Kraft real mayo in here. And now, okay, now we're going to put some good old Heinz yellow mustard in here, about a quarter of a cup. Now we're going to start working it in. Alright, now the boss wants to do this part. She's scared I was going to mess it up in the end, so she had to take over. That's starting to look pretty good. I bet she adds something to it before it's through though. I don't know how this is best. Sometimes I like it right when I finish cooking it when it's still good and hot. And then sometimes it's real good out of the refrigerator, you know, when it's cold. So there's no wrong way to eat it, I don't reckon. Every once in a while we go to the store and we get some store-bought or store-made potato salad. And after about 2 times we gotta start cooking potato salad again. Okay, now here comes the big test. She's going to try it and see if it's eatable. It must be. She said it was really good. So, anyway, that looks good. Now this is good old-fashioned mustard potato salad. And if you get a chance to try this recipe one time, try it. Even though you can't get none of case homemade pickles, although maybe we'll go in business one day just making pickles. But anyway, try it and see how you like it. And thanks again for watching our videos. We sure appreciate it. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Until next time, y'all, make sure you wash your hands about every 10 minutes and stay away from everybody else. And so y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.